Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC7424 Non-Contact Thermometer. The IC7424 Non-Contact Thermometer features an impressive temperature measuring range from 50 degrees up to 600 degrees Celsius, has adjustable emissivity, a large colour LCD screen, a 12:1 distance to spot ratio, user adjustable low and high alarms, a half a second response time, and, most impressively, a 12-point laser that outlines your exact measuring area. In the box is a user manual, 2 AAA batteries, and the IC7424 Non-Contact Thermometer. Features of the thermometer include an explanation of the distance to spot ratio and a reminder of the device's range, a laser warning on the other side, the alarm indicator LED on the top, the colour LCD. The buttons are up selection, mode laser, and down selection. On the front is the 12-point laser pointer, the IR lens, and the trigger. The battery compartment is located within the handle. To get started, unclip and open the battery compartment, install the 2 included AAA batteries, and clip the handle back into place. Depressing the trigger will switch on the LCD. On the coloured display we can see the data hold icon, the current emissivity setting, the laser on symbol, the selected temperature scale. Pressing and releasing the trigger will take an instant reading of almost any surface. The reading will be held on the display. And on the bottom is the function indicator, displaying the maximum recorded temperature reading. And that's what comes in the box with the IC7424 Non-Contact Thermometer. For more information on this thermometer, including a video demonstrating how to set up and use it, see the links in the video description. Or speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.